Do you feel like your notes, tasks, and projects are scattered everywhere and nothing really stays organized? Instead of using multiple apps, tools, or methods, what if you had one simple system to manage your entire life and work, all in one place? Notion is the answer to your problem, and it's the perfect productivity tool for work and personal life. And this course will help get you up and running with Notion in just the next couple of hours, taught by a real human. Your lead instructor is Kashif, a Notion expert with thousands of happy students learning new skills. He'll start with a quick crash course so you can get up and running fast. And by the end of section 1, you'll know how to use the top 5 AI features on Notion as well. In this course, you'll build your very first system step by step, including a daily planner that you can actually use right away. You'll learn how to integrate all of your favorite apps right within Notion, so you're not switching between apps, tabs, and windows. Everything from Gmail and Google Drive and more, all in one place. You'll learn how to use one of Notion's most powerful features, databases, where you can track projects, connect information, and create systems that grow with you. And of course, you'll learn how to use Notion AI to work even faster, from generating ideas to automating your workflow. This isn't just about watching tutorials. This course is practical, and what you learn in each lesson can be implemented right away in a productivity system that you use every day. So if you're ready to get organized, to save time, and finally take control of your workflow, get started today. We'll help you get your Notion system up and running in no time. We'll see you in class.